Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to install one of these, a Nuki Smart Lock. This is the version 2.0, but the version 3.0 should be mechanically the same. The first thing that you're going to want to do is download the app onto your cell phone. I'm going to just show you how to do the mechanical installation here, and at the very end of the video I'm going to install the software. So if you come over here and take a look at the door, the first thing that you have to do is see how far that this key lock protrudes from the faceplate. This one only protrudes about 1 to 3 millimeters. Now they give you two of these plates. Plate A is for 3 to 30 millimeters of this protruding up from the faceplate, and this plate B is for if it only protrudes a little bit, 0 to 3 millimeters. With that being the case, we're going to use faceplate B, and this one comes with a sticker, so we're just going to remove the sticker like that, and we're going to plop it on there. What I suggest doing first before doing that is washing it off with a little bit of alcohol to make sure that there's nothing on there, no dirt, that this sticks really well. All right, I've got some rubbing alcohol right here. I'm just going to rub the faceplate with some rubbing alcohol, make sure that it's nice and clean for the adhesion. Another thing that I want to mention, how this lock works is it turns this key here that you put in the door. Something really important to consider first is when you stick a key here on this side is whether or not you can stick a key on the outside of the door and make sure that it still works. This one is nice and thick, so that does work. We can keep the key installed there and still get in from the outside if we need to. So the next step is to plop this on the door. Put that on there nice and straight like that. Just give it a good press. Okay, the next step, we're gonna stick the key in there. Now, we're going to take this part here and we're going to plop it on there. It's got these two slots here, and these just slide on to these posts, and it latches here on the bottom. So we're going to make sure that's straight up and down like that, and plop it on. Now we just have to put the batteries in, and then we can start the installation with the software. Oh, it lights up. Now guys, if this video is giving you any value, please go ahead and hit the like button to push us to more people. And also, if you'd like to get more tips on things like this in the future, consider subscribing to the channel. Now let's get started with the software. All right, so here we are in the app. We're going to set up a device and choose the smart lock. Let's set that up. First, we have to acknowledge that it's on the door. And now we're going to enter a name. And we have to hold down the button on the Nuki smart lock for 5 seconds. Now it's going to connect to the smart lock with Bluetooth. Great. Now we can choose a name for the smart lock and enable the location-based services. After that, we'll set the location and choose what type of lock. This is important. Choose the right one and then add a security code to your lock. All right. And now you can make sure that the door is unlocked and it will calibrate. So now it's going to go back and forth, and make sure it's able to lock and unlock your smart lock. Calibration successful, excellent, enable notifications, and we can go on to the next step. Okay, the next thing that we want to do is install this bridge. This is what talks to the smart lock with Bluetooth and connects it to the internet via Wi-Fi so that the smart lock can be managed from the internet remotely. So let's just stick that into the wall. And we are going to finish that setup installation in the app. All right, so let's set up the Nuki Bridge. We're going to connect to it with Bluetooth from the phone. And now we're going to choose our Wi-Fi connection and enter the password for that, so the bridge can connect to Wi-Fi. All right, and now the bridge is connected to the server and we can add a new device. The smart lock and the bridge are being paired together. This takes a little bit of time, and now they are paired. Excellent. All right, the next thing that we want to do is install this Nuki Smart Pad so people can get in from the outside. So we'll just slip that out of there. It comes with two different mounting possibilities. You can either stick it on with the sticker, or you can drill holes and use these screws here. We're not going to do that because this is an apartment building and you're not allowed to actually change anything on the apartment building without permission. Let's just choose a nice ergonomic height here. Clean it up first. The alcohol. Let's remove this sticker and stick it on there. Like a nice ergonomic spot right there. Okay. And we're going to set up the rest in the app. All right, let's go into the app and now connect the keypad. Just press the back key on the keypad for 5 seconds until the lights on the keypad start flashing. And you should see them doing that. All right, now the app is connecting to the keypad. Great, it's connected. We can add now a 6-digit security code to protect the keypad from unauthorized access. After doing that, the smart lock and the keypad are going to be paired together. This can take a little time. Now finally we can choose an entry code to open up the door with. And you can choose the way in which you want to lock the door. So either lock it with the back key or with the entry code. Alright, now the smart lock and the keypad are paired together. Alright guys, now we've got the door lock installed, we've got the bridge installed, and we have the keypad installed. I'm going to show you guys how to work it from the inside. In order to lock it, all you have to do is press the button. And now it's locked. By the way, you'll notice that when it's locked, it's here completely illuminated across all 360 degrees. Let's unlock it. And you know it's unlocked because the top part here is no longer illuminated. Alright guys, so thanks very much for being with me for this video. I hope it was helpful, and if so, please give the video a like. Check out my other videos if you like what you see. Subscribe to the channel. It's totally free.